everyone, welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchie, cooking and baking made easy. Today I'm sharing a little tip about onions. Two things about it. First of all, I will let you know why onions make you cry, and also I will show you how to slice and cut onions safely and different items once you get the technique of the claw grip. So before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So subscribe here, and also make sure you change your notification bell setting. You leave me a comment, and let's go to watch that little tricks. And
first things we need to do is to peel our onion. And one technique chefs will tell you to do is to actually peel your onions and leave the back of it. I'm not one of those. I don't like it because it brings too much pain. When you wash them, you always have the risk of that contamination. So what I like to do is not to really cut through the onions, but leave your little knife or paring knife where it is and push the onions towards it. This will avoid you to cut yourself and peel the onions. One thing that chefs do is, again, just shake the onions towards the knife, same on the other side, and actually cut through one layer. That's kind of easier, faster, and nicer. Once your onions are peeled, you can't use the paring knife anymore. You need the big chef knife to slice through it. So you're going to do the claw grip. Grab your hand, really settle the onion at the bottom, and look at your big middle finger here. Put your first phalange against the blade and your thumb at the back of the onion to secure it. The blade of your knife should be away from you a little bit. The part of the onion should be on the opposite side of you cutting. And if you want to dice, you're going to cut towards the grain and then against the grain of the onion. So here we are, my thumb is at the back, my big finger, middle finger is at the front of it, and I'm slicing. I didn't get to slice through it because of not wanting to dice that onion. So again, thumb at the back, big finger, and you can see the blade against my finger, and I have nice little dice here. That's how you dice an onion. If you want to slice, you really gotta have that slow motion. So thumb at the back of the onion, the blade against the first phalange of your middle finger, the knife a little bit away from you, and like this you can retract your finger as a claw grip and regulate the thickness or thinness of your slice. You know who has done it slowly and safely at first, and when you get more used to it, you can go a little bit faster. Safety is paramount in the kitchen, so you make sure you do the right thing first. You get used to the blade against your finger, and then you can go faster. We have our nice slice here. Get the back, and first phalange place on it, and here's a quick slicing, chopping motion. Hope you enjoyed this little technique, and more info now.
so number one, why do we cry over the onions? It's because of the amino acid sulfoxide. As you cut into the onions, the onions release a gas called propenyl sulfoxide, and that's mixed into the water of your tears, really in your eyes, create a sulfuric acid that makes you cry. So how do you avoid crying when you're slicing onions? There's not too many tips out there, to be honest with you. Some people say cook the onions before, but if I want to eat it raw, how do I do? Some others say use safety Google. Does that really work? And others says use stainless steel. Well, all those things have been put to test over the years and nothing really does work against onion crying. Even some chefs will tell you to keep the butt of the onions. But how dirty is that? And how much sand there is? You put that on your chopping board? This is cross-contamination. So my best tip for you is as you slice the onion and you start to feel your eyes watering, wash your hand, rinse them and keep slicing. You feel them crying again? Rinse them and keep slicing. This is the best way that you will avoid crying over the onions. Over time, you will get used to it. You will be able to slice onion without crying. So like everything else, the more you do it, the more you get used to it, the more you get immune to it. I hope you enjoyed this little video and you have a nice day. Thank you.